Hi, welcome to the third session, and in this session I'll explain how to write body paragraphs for discussion essay. So guys, I have explained discussion essay is all about two groups, and those two groups have different perspectives. So in discussion essay we have to explain the view of first group as well as the view of second group along with our opinion if asked. So how will we write body paragraph? Supporting paragraphs are like you should never write more than 2 reasons or ideas in a single body paragraph. And the word limit for a particular body paragraph should not be more than 110 words. It can be in between 100 to 110 words in each body paragraph. Now, you are going to define the ideas firstly. You can even define a single idea and then give reason, then second idea give reason, or you can define the ideas in first sentence. You can tell both the ideas, both the reasons, followed by explanation of first sentence, explanation of second sentence. ठीक है, first reason explanation, second reason explanation, and then example. If you want, you can conclude, but that's optional. You have to use variety of sentences, simple and complex, in order to write effectively. Now, for this question, we were focusing on parents should teach their children how to be good members. So, in the first body paragraph, I am going to answer why parents should teach their children how to be good members of society. And in the second body paragraph, why school is the best place to learn this. So let us discuss body paragraph 1, why parents should teach their children how to be good members of society. So parents are the ones who have given birth to their child. They not only know them well, but also spend around 70% of their daily time with them. So what have I given? I have stated my first reason. Who are parents? Parents are the ones who have given birth to their child. They not only know them well, but also spend around 70% of their daily time with them. Parents are the role models for their children, and whatever they do in life, their children tend to imitate it. So I am explaining it. I am giving the reason why parents are the best people. Why parents should teach. So parents should teach because they are spending around 70% of their daily time with them, okay, with their children or with their offsprings. Parents are role models, and whatever they do in life, their children tend to imitate it. So their children try to copy them. This has been noticed many times. So now I am giving example like this. It has been noticed many times. If we respect our elders, then only our children will respect us in the future. We can also write, if we respect our elders, our children will respect us in the future, but here I have put then only. So I wanted to show the condition, I wanted to emphasize here, that's why I have used then only. This has been noticed many times. If we respect our elders, then only our children will respect us in the future. Similarly, to make adolescents good human beings. Similarly, to make adolescents good human beings, we have to become one. So what do we need to do? Similarly, to make adolescents good human beings, we have to become one. Okay. So this is the way I have explained it properly. I have given the example. Where is the example? This is the example. You need not to always state for example. You can give example like such as well. Okay. So I am going to change the color and then I'll explain it. So this is the example. Okay, and I have explained why parents should teach children how to be good members of society. Similarly, to make adolescents good human beings, we have to become one. So now I am explaining it more, elaborating it. Similarly, to make adolescents good human beings, we have to become one. So last my opinion, what do I think about this part? Because I said both are required. Both are required for teaching, for inculcating moral values. So I feel values cannot be taught in school, but they can be instilled through the behavior of parents. So now whatever I said, I feel values cannot be taught in school. They can be instilled through the behavior of parents. So this is what I think, or this is what I have written here. Now body paragraph 2. In body paragraph 2, why school is the best place to learn it. I am going to explain this. Let us consider the role of educational bodies now, or educational institutions now. Toddlers can learn easily in a school as they are accompanied by individuals of the same age group. So they are accompanied by individuals of same age group, or who are in the same age group. They start eating on their own. I am explaining it now. They start eating on their own when they see other children having their food. So what is this? First was giving the reason. ठीक है, explain. They have to share toys in the crèche with each other and they even start enjoying it. Elaborate. How and why. So simply speaking, in body paragraph we are explaining how and why. They start eating on their own easily when they see other children having their food. They have to share toys in the crèche with each other and they even start enjoying it. School not only teaches the habit of sharing things but also the habit of caring for others. Okay, so what is school doing? School not only teaches the habit of sharing things but also the habit of caring for others. For example, now I have given an example at the end. For example, a study revealed that in a kindergarten hota hai, it is TEN, that in a kindergarten in the USA, a group of 5 children started sharing their toys with each other within a week of joining. So what is happening here? So I have explained the reason why toddlers can learn easily in a school. Reason, as they are accompanied by individuals of same age group. So this is reason 1. Why? They start eating on their own easily when they see other children having their food. Why? Again, how? They have to share toys in the crèche with each other and they even start enjoying it. How? School not only teaches the habit of sharing things but also the habit of caring for others. Again, I am explaining the same. For example, a study revealed in a kindergarten in the USA, a group of 5 children started sharing their toys with each other within a week of joining. So what is this? I am strengthening my ideas, I am reinforcing my ideas with the help of the example. So this is the way we write body paragraphs effectively. So please start practicing and I am sure you will learn it. You will conquer the skills of writing body paragraph as well as an essay. So in the last session, in the coming session, I am going to explain how to write conclusion effectively for a discussion essay. Bye-bye.